Biggie, you're in my kitchen. Got a special treat for you tonight. We're gonna do shrimp DeJonghe, one of my favorites, definitely Mary's favorite. And it's easy, it's quick, and it takes practically minimal to zero effort. So, be back with you in a minute. Who's back? Guess what we're doing? We're melting some butter. We have 2/3 of a cup. We're going to, this is easy guys, this is all you need. Clove of garlic, some fresh parsley, 1/8 of a teaspoon of red chili peppers, some sherry, dry sherry wine, a pan, and we're gonna have the shrimp. We're just blanching it right now. We're gonna lay that out, but this is fast, it's easy. So we're gonna do that and get it fragrant like we always do. About 30 seconds worth. And we get this moving around. The second we can smell it means it's done. It means the garlic is where we need it. Okay. Oh yeah, we can smell that. Now we're going to throw in the fresh parsley. And we have 1/8 of a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. We're going to mix that up for a second. And then my favorite part's coming up. Of course you need breadcrumbs as part of DeJonghe. I didn't think I needed to mention that, but I probably have to. You can serve it whatever size you want. We're going to put in 1/3 of a cup of dry sherry. I would recommend you not use the cooking sherries at the grocery store, the cheap stuff. Just buy a regular bottle of wine. It'll be much, much, much better for you. It's going to taste more. Remember, the better the ingredients, the better the flavor. The cheaper the ingredients, the cheaper the flavor. So we're going to let that just cook down for a minute. Burn off a little bit of that alcohol. That's always a key. And I'm going to now get these Blanch shrimp ready in that pan. We're going to pour it on. We're going to put our breadcrumbs on it. And in the oven it goes for 15 minutes. It doesn't get much easier than that. We're actually using our Argentinian red shrimp. That's one of our favorites. They just cook well. They hold a lot of flavor. And if it's in focus, you can see it does a fantastic job when you blanch them. They have a great color. There's only the two of us. We're going to do 2 sides. I've got broccoli on the stove steaming, as well as some baby carrots. And that's going to be our dinner. So, this is where we're at. This thing is literally done. So now we're just going to pour this on here, right over on top of the shrimp. That's how easy that is. Put that on the stove. I don't want to burn myself. So we'll do that. Move that out of the way, bring that up a little bit closer. And then we're going to sprinkle some breadcrumbs. Reasonably generous. And then it'll be in the oven 15 minutes. Depending. Your oven might be worse or not take true temperature. Every oven is differently. So it might be 20 on yours, but it's literally 15 on mine. We've dialed this thing in over the years. We kind of have an idea where it goes. Okay, that's gone. Throw this out. Okay, oven's preheated. We're ready to go. When we come out, we're going to do a little splash of lemon on top, just to give it a little bit extra flavor. And we'll see you back in 15 minutes. All right, guys, it's out of the oven. I'm going to plate this up. Just like that. Since I'm eating it, I'm touching it with my finger. That's how it works around here. If I touch it, it's mine. Okay. All right. Let's pop this over on the side for a moment. And one thing left to do, that is to slice the lemon. Now when you slice lemons and you don't want seeds, go right towards the very end. We don't want a lot on here, just a little bit, like this. Give it a little bit of flavor on the seafood, because it always tastes better. I personally like it on my broccoli as well. And I kind of like a little bit more of it on my broccoli. So, there we go. How pretty is that? cut it. Okay guys, this is it. This is the beautiful plate. Of course, I have to sample bite, because that's how it's done, I guess, on video, everybody. This particular plate, if you went to any restaurant, it's going to cost you 30 bucks or more. You can make this at home for a fraction of the price. So let's go ahead, have our first bite. Woo! Should have waited for a minute, let that cool down a little bit. That just got me hot. Oh, that's very good. Unbelievably good. It's always consistent. Once again, this is a great plate. Good for game day as well. And most importantly, it's good for you. It's healthy. You made it. It's fresh. The broccoli is fresh. The carrots are fresh. This is great. You guys be kind to each other.